Hello viewers, Namaste, welcome back to WinTrader. My name is Ganga Dev. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the performance of option trading. So I select the time frame 5 minute and the strike price I selected is 18,200 put option, Nifty 18,200 put option. And you can see currently the premium price is 372.15. And you can see this white vertical line is a day separation line, and you can see this green up arrow is our buy signal. Actually we got a buy at 338. Whenever software gives us buy or sell signal, at the same time there is a pop-up, there is an alert message will display on your screen with the sound effect. In that alert message we can find that entry point. The same details also you can show, same details also display here in the above dashboard. We got a buy at 338.35 and the time is 10:05 and the date is in today's data. So you can see whenever software gives a signal now, before taking the signal you have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. If it is confirmed, then you can take the position in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform you are using, you have to trade in your trading platform. So how to check the confirmation, I will show you. So before going to the video, I just want to tell you that if you are interested to purchase a software, or if you want to check the live demo, or if you want to know any more information about our product WinTrader software, you can directly call me. My name is Ganga, 9061-973737. This is my official number. You can call or you can WhatsApp me. In this below this video, you can see the description box now. You can find my WhatsApp link is there. Just click there and you can come to my WhatsApp chat. And let's go to the video. So as I told, before taking this signal, you have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. Checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. There is only 2 confirmation. If these 2 confirmations are okay, then directly you can take the position in your broker platform. Confirmation means when the software gives a signal now, first confirmation on below you can see it will show here like price in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. And the second confirmation on below the arrow you can see there is a bar is there now. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be green color. So you have to check only 2 confirmation. First the arrow will there. Arrow will come after that you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation below it will show like price in buy zone, and the second confirmation on below the arrow the bar, it should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green also. So easy now. If these 2 confirmations are okay, directly you can take the position. On below you can see it's a stop loss and it's a trailing stop loss, and on the left side you can see target to first target 372, 399 and 426. So for example, if the signal at that time it was confirmed signal, it's a signal means we got an entry at 338.35. So we enter at 335 now. All target has been achieved. It was a confirmed signal and first target was 370.20 and second target was 399.25 and the third was 426. You can see, sorry, only 2 target achieved. You can see on the about dashboard in the status bar you can see target 2 hit. That means third target not achieved. Already we are in profit. Actually, if you don't want to take any risk now, then you can directly exit with the the first or second target. That is the safest target. I am preferring first target. So if you don't want to take any risk now, then you can increase the lot size and you can exit with the first target. And we only need 1 trade. Means if a market is a trendy market and gives a good trend in the morning itself now, then we need only 1 perfect trade for a day, and we don't need to sit in front of the system till 3:30. Then we need only one trade. If it is market gives a good trend in the morning now, just exit from the market with the profits, and no need to check the market after that. So if you follow this method now, then 100% you will be in consistent profit. So this is software is working with the real-time data. There is no delay in the data, real-time tick by tick data, and you can use it for swing trading, scalping and intraday, and all segment is there. Actually I'm giving a demonstration in option trading. Actually our software support all major financial market, MCX, NSE cash, future option currencies, agri, comex and forex is there. And as I told before, if you are interested to know more about our product, or if you want to check the live demo by yourself, you can directly contact me. You can check one live demo in live market, like 1 day demo is there. So if you are interested to know more about, or if you want to demo, you can directly contact me. And thank you for watching my video.